Hey guys, I got a couple of packages, so I thought that I would share what I picked up. So I'm actually don't remember what this is. So let's see. Oh, finally. So I had to contact this company about this. Like, hey, what happened to my order? So they had it on back order for the longest, and they never did answer me. So I guess they just went ahead and sent it. So that's awesome. So this is a pen that I think I bought this back around the first week of May, and this is July 4th. Okay. And then they put it on back order. All right. And then they had this notebook here. They had it on clearance, but they let you engrave it for free. So that was nice. So let's take a look at this. It's A5. And let's take a look at this. It's in the, oh, okay. I was gonna say it's in a different language, but it says please return to. Okay, thank you very much. Okay. I thought I was gonna be in trouble here. All right. So we do have different languages here. Page number, topic, content. But then after that, it's just blank pages, but they're numbered. So that's neat. All right, and then that's it. And then you have the back pocket, and let's see. These are some kind of stickers. So I guess I could put these on the front or something. Then we got a little pocket back here. So I'm thinking this might be a good thing to put. I have a new cover, and so this might be good to put in that new cover, leather cover that I have. So we have a strap here, and so their strap, I guess you can do it like that, but it looks like they kind of, okay, maybe not. I was thinking, well, maybe they want you to do it this way, but it looks like you do it the traditional way. Okay. All right, and so that's the notebook. And then let's take a look at the pen. It's a nice box. So let's take a look at the pen. I love Leonardo pens. Okay, so 100% Italiano. And we got a little story here. Very nice packaging. I like that. All right, and then we have the outer box. All right. All right. Very nice. It's nice and cushiony. International guarantee. I guess this is more of their story. And then here's the pen. Look at it. So pretty. when I saw this online, I had to have it. I thought it was just gorgeous. I'm not a beach person, but this reminds me, of course, of the beach. And it reminds me of a place I've never been. It looks like the Bahamas. But the name of it is Aloha, so I guess it's supposed to be the Hawaiian beaches. And then we have the roller ball at the end of the clip, like always. And we have the pointed edge. I love this. We got the gold bands and the gold band at the end. And I'm thinking, yep, this is one of those, what do they call those things? A blind fill or something. But I never use it. All right. Then, very nice. Let's see. Get close up on this. So, I mean, you have threads here, but you barely feel it. And I like the tapered grip section. I love this. And look at that nib. Look at the intricate. I love it. This is a fine, which is my favorite. Okay. Then the inside. Oh, so I might have to rinse this because they tested it. Okay. Oh, you know what? So I forgot, which is another reason why it took so long, is because I asked them, they had an option where they would fine tune it for free. And I'd never had that before. So I opted for that. So this ought to be really nice right out of the box. So I'm excited to try it. So I'm gonna have to rinse that, give it a good flushing. So here is my pen. I'm excited. So they was gonna fine tune this nib. So I'm excited to see what that writes like. All right, guys. So that's that one. I'm so happy to actually have it in my hand. All right. I love this box too. All right. So that's that. And then we'll take a look at my other stuff. But you know what? I think I am going to do that in a separate video. So we're going to stop this one. And we'll do the other one in a separate video. All right. So I will talk to y'all in just a minute. Bye.